How to replace a printhead in the HP OfficeJet Pro 9110, 9110E, 9120, 9120E, 9130, and 9130E all-in-one printer series. To replace a damaged or non-functioning printhead with a new, genuine HP printhead, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove the old printhead. Turn on the printer. Open the front door. Lift up the cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the printer. Wait until the carriage stops moving before you continue. Lift the carriage latch handle to unlock the printhead. Without removing the cartridges, grasp the sides of the printhead and then lift the printhead and pull it toward you. Note: to avoid ink stains, do not touch the bottom of the printhead. Place the printhead face up on a sheet of paper and then set aside. Step 2. Install the new printhead. Remove the new printhead and setup cartridges from the package, and then set the cartridges aside. Note: do not touch the electrical contacts or the nozzles. Touching these areas can cause electrical failures or print quality problems. Grasp the printhead on both sides with the electrical contacts facing the rear of the printer, and then insert the printhead into the carriage. Carefully lower the carriage latch handle until it snaps into place. Step 3. Insert the setup cartridges. Make sure plain paper is loaded in the input tray. Carefully insert the setup cartridge into its slot and then push the cartridge forward until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps for the other setup cartridges. Make sure each cartridge is fully inserted and not sticking out farther than the other cartridges. If a cartridge is sticking out, push it until it snaps into place. Close the cartridge access door. Close the front door. The printer begins an initialization process. It is normal for the printer to make noises during this process. After the process completes, the printer prints an alignment page. For the 9110 and 9130 series, the alignment is now complete. For 9120 series printers, you need to scan the alignment page to complete the alignment. To do this, open the scanner lid. Place the alignment page with the print side down on the scanner glass and then align the page with the indicated corner. Close the scanner lid and then select Scan. The printer scans the alignment page and an Alignment Successful message displays on the control panel. Step 4. Return the old parts to HP. If you received return packaging with your printhead replacement kit, return the failed parts to HP for analysis. If you did not receive return packaging, recycle the printhead and cartridges. To do this, go to hp.com/recycle to learn more. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.